Good evening, all. Good evening. Am I audible, guys? Good evening, all. Anita, good evening. Sanjay, good evening. Naveen Kumar, good evening. Aishwarya, good evening. Good evening to all. Happy evening to all. I hope I am audible. Yeah, Sri Vidya, very good evening. Toshini, good evening. And Jaspant, good evening. Chaudhary, good evening. Isha Jain, good evening. Yeah, Rohit, very good evening. So, good evening to all. Good evening. Happy evening, one and all. Happy evening. Teja, good evening. Vani, good evening. Rohini, good evening. Parimala, very good evening. I hope I am audible, guys. Yes, if I am audible means please mention in the comment box. I hope my voice is clear and audible. Yeah. Bhargavi, good evening. Nandini, very good evening. Yes, hi. Hi, Nandini, hi. And Mohammed, yes, thank you for your reply. And Nitin, good evening. Rishwat, good evening. Sutakar, good evening. Yeah, Pranav Gautam, good evening. Pranav Gautam, good evening. And Hema Malini, yes, thank you. Yes, yeah. Lakshmi Lavanya, good evening. Yes, good evening to all. Good evening. Hello everyone. This is Philip from pantechelearning, and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with pantechelearning anytime, anywhere, and any places. We are always supporting to the students in a technical way. What is our main vision? We are going to help the 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. And I welcome you all to today's session, day 10 of Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. I welcome you all. I welcome you once again. And Chini Prasanna, good evening. Yes, good evening. Mahmad Kisfullah, good evening. Yeah. Happy evening, Madhuri. Happy evening. Yeah. So, what we are going to discuss today? This is based on the speech recognition. So this particular session also we are going to discussing about based on the speech recognition. Okay, so today we are going to create our personal virtual assistant for the user. Okay, our personal assistant. Okay, that is very easy actually. So that is very easy by using certain function. Okay, certain function and also the certain packages that will be helpful for the speech recognition, and also it will be written. So today we are going to create and we are going to making the conversation. We are going to interact to the machine today. Okay. So what is AI virtual assistant in the sense? It is nothing but we are going to communicate. We are going to interact to the machine, right? So we are going to interact to the machine. That can be possible with the help of NLP technique and with the help of the speech recognition package. Okay. Hope you guys are understood about this. Okay, I need some example for the AI virtual assistants. Please answer. Okay, so what is the example of AI virtual assistant? So yesterday also I am asking the same question to you. So I am expecting more persons to participate this particular session. That is the reason I am asking. So I need more interaction, guys. If you guys are really like the session means, don't forget to hit the like button and also just mention in the comment box as follow. And also I need an answer. Yes, Madhuri, Alexa. Yes, okay. So what is your personal experience? With maybe that experience with the Google Assistant or Siri, whatever it is. Okay. So what is your personal experience with the AI virtual assistant? Just mention it in the comment box. Maybe that you had an experience with Alexa, maybe that you had an experience with the Google Assistant, right? So what is your experience with AI virtual assistant? Just mention the name in the comment box. Okay, I'm also read your comments. I'm also excited to read your comments actually. Yes, Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. So Praveen had an experience 3 AI virtual assistant. Yes, Google. Yes, okay, right. Yes. Are you guys excited to listen the classes? If you guys are excited means please raise your hands in comment box. If you guys are really excited means please raise your hands in comment box. Yeah, right. So what is a virtual assistant? So it is nothing but we are going to communicate, we are going to interact to the machine. So that is nothing but a virtual assistant, right? So maybe that it is very comfortable and it is very, it is very comfortable to communicate to the human and also to the machine by using the Python. How it can be? So today we are going to create our personal assistant. Our personal assistant by using several function and several packages. Okay, so without delay, I am going to entering the today's session. Okay, right. So this is also nothing but based on the speech recognition. So today's how to create the virtual assistant we are going to discuss. So we are going to create our personal assistant. Okay, personal virtual assistant we are going to discuss. Create like Alexa, Google, Google Assistant, and also Cortana and Google Assistant like that. Okay, right. So what is the introduction of virtual assistant? So yeah, virtual assistant is nothing but the artificial intelligence assistant or digital assistant. So it is an application program. It is an application program that understands the natural language, understand the human language, voice command. Okay, so it is one of the application. It is one of the application to understand the human language, and it will be understand the human voice commands. Then it will be react, and it will be going to complete the task of the user. So that is AI virtual assistant. That's why I mentioned here. It is one of the application program that is understand the natural language voice commands from the user, and it completes the task for the user. So maybe then you can call just call like open Google, like that you are mentioning to the virtual assistant in the sense that time it will be complete the task. That time it will be help to complete the task by using the several functions. That can be possible actually. So we are going to create today for our personal assistant. Okay, right. So we all know about what is virtual assistant. Maybe that's Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, right? So this is the basic introduction. This basic introduction already you knew this because yesterday we were discussing about this, right? So don't take the time for the theoretical session. Okay, yes. So what we are going to build? So that is very important, right? About this particular session, what we are going to build. What we are going to build. Okay, right. So in this particular personal virtual assistant, we are going to create further slides. Okay, right. Here we are going to create like the command like open website. So we can open go open Google, open Facebook, open Stack Overflow, like that we are going to opening that one. Okay, that can be possible. Once you are going to say to the computer like open Google, in this sense automatically it will be open the browser, open the console, right? So that one, and email to the friends. So that can be possible by using the speech recognition. That is very important here. This is one of the part of the speech recognition. Already we discussed yesterday of this. Okay, so what we are going to build? Open websites. That means what in the sense, once you are mentioning like open Google, open Facebook, open YouTube, like that you are mentioning, you are saying to the computer in the sense, automatically the computer will complete the task. Complete the task with the help of several functions, several packages. Okay, and email to the friend. That can be also possible without touching the keyboard and without touching the system. You can send the mail. You can send the mail. Okay, right. And open music, and the computer will tell us almost everything you ask. For example, timing. Okay, timing, and also the greeting. The computer will say. So that's why I mentioned here. The computer will tells to you about almost everything you ask. Maybe that greetings and for example timing, this and all. Okay, right. So you can. So normally you can interact to the laptop microphone or console. Okay. So the response is generated by the assistant. So one more thing, so you can interact to the machine. Okay, interact to the machine in the sense maybe that laptop. Okay, so maybe that laptop or my laptop microphone or console. The response is generated by the assistant. Okay, that will be displayed on the screen console or speech via the speaker. Maybe that if the computer will say like timing, okay, the timing this and all, okay, right, yeah, is okay. The text is not visible, right, because okay, fine, I will correct it from the tomorrow itself, sorry for that, yeah, okay, fine. So you can interact to your laptop microphone console. Okay, so the response is generated by the assistant. Okay, it will be displayed on the console or as per the speech via by the speaker. Okay, so these are the things we are going to create. So what are the packages, what are the modules we are going to use? Okay, what are the packages, what are the modules we are going to use? Yes, of course, today we are going to create that one. Okay, right. Okay, the packages and modules we are going to use. First one, speech recognition, that will be helpful for it will be helpful for speech to the audio to the text converter. And next one, text, so that will be like audio to the text converter. Data time is very important, that is the one of the module. And SMP lib, that is like SMTP lib, so that is for the email send package module and web browser module, and one more module, OS module, we are going to use. So these are the packages we are going to use today. So speech recognition for recognizing the user voice or for human voice. Okay, so text, that will be converted, that will be helpful for text to the audio conversion. And data time, SMTP lib, that will be helpful for email send. Okay, then web browser. So web browser in the sense it will be helpful to open Google, open YouTube, open Facebook, like that. Okay, open browser like that. So these are the packages today we are going to use. Okay, right. So now we are going to enter the coding. Okay, now we are going to enter the coding. Without delay, we are going to enter the coding. Before entering the coding, I am going to discussing about the internship. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you guys are really interested to join the AI internship, what you will get for this particular internship? So you will be getting participation certificate and also the internship certificate. So normally, so we are giving the internship, 30 days recorded videos, highly organized video content we are going to give, and also downloadable files, download PPTs, assignments, and also this videos is accessible for the 60 days. So what you will get in the sense, everyday recorded videos, materials, source code, and also the projects and project code, and you will be built and developed with me. Okay, right. So normally we are giving 1,000 rupees for this particular internship, but if you are using the coupon code, okay, if you are using the coupon code welcome KI, so the offer will be like for example the offer 400 rupees, so we are giving only 599 rupees. Okay, the link is mentioned in the comment box. Use this opportunity. If you're joining the internship, means you will be getting everyday recorded videos and everyday's materials, source code, downloadables, all the downloadables you will be get. And also you will be built and developed with me the several projects related to the machine learning. So that is movie recommendation system, employee salary prediction, speech recognition system, AI virtual assistant using the Python. And related to the deep learning, lead disease detection, heart rhythm recognition, Troutney cells detection, and vehicle detection and counting. And next one related to the OpenCV or computer vision. So face and eye detection in OpenCV, object tracking based on the color in OpenCV, face and mask recognition, currency detection, and emotion recognition through the facial expression. Okay, you will be built and developed with me. If you joining the internship means you will be getting all the source code for this particular, projects. Okay, right. So the one more offer, the offer is extended till today. Okay, so most of the people expecting this particular offer, so that is the reason we extended. So in this AA bundle, we are going to cover Python programming, machine learning, and deep learning and artificial intelligence. Each course we charge 1,000 rupees. So the AA bundle valid 4,000 rupees, but we are giving only 1,000 rupees. The AA bundle valid for 4,000 rupees, but we are giving only 999 rupees. Please use this opportunity. It will be more helpful for you. Okay, the offers only for you. The offer closes soon today. Okay, right. So, and one more announcement. We are happily announced our next masterclass, Java Full Stack Programming. Our next masterclass, Java Full Stack Programming. This course is conducted 30 days. It will be start 9th December. Okay, it will be start 9th December. Okay, right. So this course starts from the 9th December. The timing will be 7 to 7:45. The link is mentioned in the comment box. To register for this particular, masterclass. Don't forget to register for this particular event. Okay, so we are happily announced this is our next masterclass, Java Full Stack Programming. Okay, yeah. So now I am going to enter. Yes. Now I am going to enter the coding. So open IDLE. I hope my screen is visible. Guys. Yes. My screen is visible, right? Are you guys excited to listen the classes? Please mention in the comment box. If you guys are really excited means, please mention in the comment box. I'm also excited to explain about this particular, personal virtual assistant. We are going to create now personal virtual assistant. Are you guys excited? If you guys are excited means, please mention in the comment box. And don't forget to hit the like button. Yes, okay. Most of the people is excited. So thank you so much. For your good interaction. Okay. So this is not a regular class. Please interact with me. Okay. This is not a regular class. So please interact with me. Otherwise it will be boring. So that is the reason in between the classes I am asking this much of the question. Usually. Okay. Right. So without delay I am going to enter. So first of all what we need, import the necessary libraries, right? So import the necessary libraries. Just import this one. So this is for already yesterday I discussed, right? So this will be helpful for text to the audio converter. Then speech recognition. This will be helpful for recognizing the user voice. This will be helpful for audio to the text converter. And this is the date and timing. This will be helpful for say the timing. Okay. Yes. Pankaj. Actually, the first 3 line I was very shocked, but the next 3 words is very good. Thank you so much. Okay, fine. Right. Yes, okay. So date and time. This module will help to display the timing and say the timing. Okay, right. And Wikipedia is also there. So this will be helpful for opening the Wikipedia and web browser. So this is very important. So this will be helpful for opening. Okay, opening logo Ramesh. So thank you so much. Yes, Pankaj, your message is very impressed. Your comment is very impressed. Thank you so much. Okay, fine. So web browser. So this will be helpful for the opening the browser. For example, open Google, open YouTube, open Facebook. This will be helpful to open the screen, that particular browser, and open that particular page. So that can be possible. So with the help of this particular module, that is web browser. and this will be helpful for sending the mail to your friend. Sending mail to your friend. Okay, right. So try it yourself. Okay, try it yourself. It will be more helpful. And we are going to create our personal assistant, right? Yeah. So now I am going to initialize the engine for audio to the text converter. Okay, so text to the audio converter, this is the text to the audio converter. We are going to initialize that. Then voices, so this will be get the property, that is voice. Okay, right. So the engine is a get property, is the one of the function. Okay, then this is the voices is input. Here the voice ID is 0. So this particular function will mentioning the 0 is the male and 1 is the female. Okay, yesterday we were discussing about the 1 is the male and 0 is the female, we discussed, right? But here in this particular function it will be mentioned like this. Okay, so in this particular set property function it will be mentioned like this. Okay, right. So yes, OS is accessing the particular path. For example, if I mention open music or open code, in the sense automatically it will be help to opening that particular page. It will be go to that particular directory. So that is the reason I import that one. For example, it is in E colon or it is in C colon or it is in normal location in C colon, in the sense automatically this OS will help to open that particular location and move to that particular directory. That is the reason I am going to use OS. Okay, right. So now this will be helpful for text to the audio converter. So yesterday we were discussed about this, right? So engine.say, in the sense the audio will say, okay, for example, I say to that hello everyone, in the sense that time it will only display the text, then it will be display. it will be converted to the audio again. So then again I am going to create one particular function. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. Yeah. Here wish me is the one of the function. Wish me is the one of the function which we created. Okay, this is the user defined function actually. This is not a built-in function. We are going to create this particular function. Okay, see here. Okay, so this is hours. So hours based that that particular Alexa, the particular virtual assistant will help to greeting. For example, the timing between. Okay, so here see here we are going to call the date time and date and time now. So this particular module in hour. Okay, so date time is one of the module. So this is the function, and dot now, in the sense it will be accessing, it will be mentioning the current timing. It will be accessing the current timing in a hour. Okay, in a hour. So that is the reason I call this particular date and time module. So depending on this hours of timing, it will be greeting. The Alexa will returning, or the virtual assistant will returning the greeting. For example, the timing between, like the timing is right now 12, in the sense the greeting will be like good afternoon, right? So 11.59, in the sense the greeting will be good morning only. Okay, so the Alexa will greeting to you, or virtual assistant will greeting to you, or Siri will greeting to you. How? So depends on this particular function. So date time dot date time that now, so it will be accessing the current timing. It will be considered the current timing in a hour. Okay, so if the hour between the 0 to 12, in between this timing, it is the good morning. So speak good morning. So this particular function, what is the parameter? Audio. What is the argument? That is good morning. So about 12 to 6, that means 18, in the sense that is 6. That time it is the good afternoon. Okay, right. Yes, otherwise it is a good evening. So apart from this timing, it is a good evening. Okay, right. So now once I run this will be asking the first question. I'm VA, that is VA is nothing but a virtual assistant. So please tell me how may I help you. The computer will say to the user. So that is the reason I'm using the speak function. This speak function, and passing the argument like this is the answer for this particular parameter. Clear? No? Are you guys clear? If you guys are clear means please raise your hands in comment box. Yeah. Now one of the function I am going to create, that is take commands. Okay. It takes the microphone input from the user and returning the string output. So these particular take command will help to takes the microphone input from the user and returning the string output. Okay, right. So the same thing from the speech recognition, since this recognition will help to converting the audio into the text. Okay, audio into the text. Now we are going to accessing, just a minute guys. Yeah. Now we are going to accessing microphone. So with speech recognition dot microphone, so this will be helpful for accessing the laptop microphone as the input source. That is the input source. Okay. Then print listening. Okay. Right. So now this is the pass threshold. Then this will be the audio. It is listening. That is the source. Okay. Right. So this is for the speech recognition. Okay, right. After that, once it is receiving, it is going to recognize. So recognize in the sense recognize Google for this particular audio, because the listening is receiving the input from the user. Okay, hope you guys are understood. Yeah. So here this listen function will help to receiving the input from the user. Okay, right. So elif is nothing but the conditional statement. If you are creating the multiple condition in the sense, this particular keyword will help to create. For example, if else in the sense, that is a conditional statement. That is the basic Python actually. That is the basic Python. Okay. So elif is nothing but the else if. Okay. If you want to create a 3 or more function in the sense, that elif will help to do that. Okay. Right. So here the recognize Google, okay, the recognize Google to recognize the audio. So that will be helpful to convert that. Okay, right. So this is the error exception. Okay, error exception. So say that again. Maybe that your voice is not receiving to the computer or not receiving to the what is that? Not receiving to the microphone in the sun. That time the error will not show. The error will not shown, but it will be saying like that. It will be showing like that. Say that again, please. Like that only it will be displayed. Once, if I am not using the try and exception in the sense, the error will come. The error will come. Okay. So that is the reason we are going to handling the error. Okay. Then, okay. Now I am going to enter in the next function. Okay. So that is send email. Send email. So I don't want to share this one actually. This is the email and password. Okay, right. Just a minute, guys. Okay, fine. So this is the see here. This is the email. Okay, this is the email. Yeah, just a minute. So this is the function to content. Okay, to content, to and content. So this is the argument, this is the parameters. Okay, now we are going to create one particular variable for these particular module. Okay, right. See here. So SMTPL, this is the package, this is the module, this particular module. Okay, right. So this will be helpful for sending the mail to the another person, or sending the mail to the friend, or sending the mail to the others. Okay, so that is the reason. Yeah, here, yeah, you can see this. Okay, so this is for this particular function, and we are getting from here. Okay, right. So now, so this is the format of, and this is the server number. Okay, then it will be helpful for login ID. So this is the further function for accessing the server. Okay, accessing the server. So this is the login ID. So this is my official ID. So this is my official mail ID. Okay, so this is login and this is the password. Okay, so to say, this will be help to send the mail to the others from here, from this mail ID. Okay, from this mail ID. Hope you guys are understood about this. For this particular module, from this particular function, we are going to accessing this particular server number. So this number is very important. This will be going to accessing the server of the mail. Okay, right. So now we are going to mentioning the login ID here. Okay, login ID and password. So this is the password actually. Password. This is the password. Okay, right. So now, so server dot send mail. So this will be the mail. So this is the sending mail from. Okay, this is the from to the content. To the content. Now I am going to create the if conditional statement. Okay, conditional statement. So here I am going to create a while loop. So continuously it will be running. Okay, right. So now the first one, Wikipedia. The first one, Wikipedia, the queries is equal to taking the command in a lowercase. Taking the command in a lowercase. Okay, that means this will be the converted. For example, if I say like Wikipedia, in the sense this will be open. This will be open. So that is the reason. Okay, right. Say here, so Wikipedia in query. So this will be this. Taking the command. This will be the taking the command. Then queries dot replace Wikipedia. Then the result will be like according to the Wikipedia, the result will be printed. Okay. So I will be show the result. Then only you can understand. Then open, if I say to the computer open YouTube, in the sense the computer is receiving the query in query. Okay, in query. So this will be taking the command and automatically this will be going to open with the help of the web browser. With the help of the web browser. For example, web browser dot open, in the sense automatically that will be open. So this is the the particular URL. Okay, URL. Right now the next one elif. The next one elif. So open Google, in the sense. Okay, open Google, in the sense it will be taking in a query. So that will be taking the command. Okay, taking the command, then it will be open to this particular Google. Okay, then next open Stack Overflow. So the same, it will be taking the query and with the help of web browser dot open, it will be open this particular website or URL. Okay, right. So now, so open Facebook. Yeah. That is actually your personal mail ID. Which one you are asking? I don't know exactly, Pankaj. I can't understand your question. Okay, right. So here this is the Facebook open. Okay, open Facebook, in the sense it will be taking the query. Once you say to the computer open Facebook, in the sense automatically this web browser will opening that particular page. Okay, right. So then I'm going to access in the direction of the system. So that is play music in a query. Okay, play music in a query. This is the music direction. Okay, this is my music direction in my system, in my laptop. Okay, in my laptop. So you have to mention your path here, music direction path. Maybe then you have a one particular folder for the music, in the sense you have to mention that particular directory to this. Okay, so this is the value, this is the variable. Okay, now songs is equal to, you can call the OS module. This will be help to accessing your OS of the system. Okay, right. So OS dot list direction. So this will be the direction already which is mentioned. Okay, right. So this is here music direction. Now print song, then the OS dot the file. Okay, then OS dot the file and OS dot path dot join and the music direction, and it will be okay, right. So this is yeah, okay, I will tell to you. Yeah, just a minute. For example, so this is my direction actually. Yeah. So my song direction here, and yeah, this is my song direction. Okay, so only one song he will be here. So just copy. Okay, just click here and copy and mention here. That's it. Mention here. Okay, this is the way you can make the this particular things for your personal assistant. You want to play the song, just play music. Okay, right. So then timing, the timing is also that. So LF time in a query, start time. Okay, start time, that is, or string time. Okay, so it is not a start time, it is a string time. Date time dot now. So it will be accessing like hours, minutes and seconds. It will be say that the string file, string time will say that hours, minutes and second. So date time dot now. Okay, right. Now the speak. So the speak function, so the time is for the string time. So this will be mentioning the timing. Okay, now the 6:37 in the sense it will be 6 tells like 6 hours 37 minutes and this much second it will be say, right? Yeah. Then this is the open code. This is my code path. This is my code path. The same thing, os.start file, that is very enough. os.start file, that is very enough here. Just the same thing you have to follow. This is the code file, right? Just click here and copy and paste here. That's it. So this is the path and paste here. Okay, paste here. Okay, now just just start file. It will be open that particular file. Then open photo. So this is my photo folder. Okay, the same path I am going to use this. OS in the sense operating system. Yeah. So now LF email to friend. Okay, email to friend. If you say to email to friend in the sense, the several function will be there. So try and accept here. So that sometimes the error will come. Maybe that the mail will not send, and the security purpose it will not send sometimes. You have to change some settings here. Okay, right. So just speak. Okay, speak in the sense it will be saying what should I say. Once you are saying email to the friend in the sense, suddenly it will be say like what should I say. Then taking the command. Okay, taking the command. This is the mail ID. Okay, this is the sending mail to mail ID. Okay, so this is to mail ID. Okay, this is to mail ID and send email to content. Okay, send email to content. Then speak email has been sent. Okay, email has been sent. Okay, so just follow this procedure. Take content and this will be asking what should I say, like that, and this is a to mail ID. It will be automatically sent. Okay, yeah. str time means string timing. Okay, string timing it will be say. Okay, right. So then send email. Okay, right. So this is the procedure. Okay, so this is the procedure. Exactly will say maybe that it will not for example it is getting error in the sense it will be replay like that. Okay, so here we are created, that means for example open YouTube, open Google, open Stack Overflow and open Facebook and open play music, timing, open code, open photo and email to friend. Okay, right. And this is the thing, and Wikipedia also. So this is for logic for executing the task based on the query. Okay, based on the query. For example, if you say like open YouTube in the sense it will be open. Okay, I will run this code, then only you can understand easily. Okay, right. So first of all we have to open all the browser. Okay, after that one by one we will be check it. Okay, right. So just run this. Already I increased the font size actually. So this is very enough, I think. Yeah. Just to make your screen full and.
I am BA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open Google. Open YouTube. Open Facebook. Open Stack Overflow. Open Stack Overflow. Okay. Open Stack Overflow. Okay. Open Stack Overflow. Oh, yeah, it's open. So 4 web browser we already created, right? So already we created for us. Okay. Already we created for us. Yeah, where it's open. Okay, right. So already we created for us for open Facebook and YouTube, Google and Stack Overflow. So this is the website opening. Okay. If you say like that in the sense, if you say like that open Google in the sense it is open, already you had seen, right? So this is the output for our users, personal virtual assistant. This is personal. I need YouTube, I need Google, I need Facebook, I need Stack Overflow. So that is the reason I created. Okay, this is for website. Next thing, I'm going to run it again. Yeah. So this is for the website. Now I'm going to open the path, maybe that music and also the open photo and open code. So I'm going to accessing this one. Okay, right.
Good evening. I am VA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open code. Open code. Yeah. Open music. Sorry. Play music. Open photo. Yeah. Yes, okay, I'm closing this. You can see the folder. Okay, it's opening, right? So this is the code folder is opening. First one, I say to that, open code, right? So open code, I say to the computer, it is automatically going to open. So this is opened. Now, after that, photo, open photo. So this is my folder. Open, this is my photo folder. So this will be also opened. Okay, this will be also opened. Okay, next thing. Okay, right. Yes, okay. Time. Okay, so I'm going to use timing. So I will show the output for the time. Okay, right. Listen it. Actually, just listen it, guys, because the voice will say the timing actually. Right. I'm going to run this.
Good evening. I am VA sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Time.
Sir, the time is 18 hours 46 minutes and 14 seconds.
Time.
Sir, the time is 18 hours 46 minutes and 23 seconds.
Okay, fine. So I hope you listen the timing, right? I hope you listen the timing. Exactly, it mentioned in the timing. Exactly, it mentioned the timing because of this particular function. Because of this particular function, hours, minutes and second. Okay, right. So one more is remaining, that is email to friend. Okay, that is email to friend. Whoever, just share your mail ID, I will send the mail to you. Okay, just share your mail ID in command box. I will send to, for 3 people, I will send the mail to you by voice. Okay, just share your mail ID here. I will, mention here and send the mail to you. Just mention in the command box, just share your mail ID. I will choose 3 people to share the, mail. Okay, to share the mail to you by using this particular, program. Yes, is okay. So I will answer actually after completing the session, Pankaj. Okay, right. So if you share your, mail ID in the sense, I will send the mail to you, and you had an experience about this. Okay, just I will run this. Okay, I will run this. This is for, send, email to friend. Okay, share your mail ID in command box. Okay. If I say something related to that in the sense, automatically the email will send from my mail ID to you. Okay, just if you guys are excited means please share your mail ID. I will mention here for your mail ID and send the mail to you. Okay, right. Are you guys are listening the classes? Nobody shared the mail ID actually. Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah. Now I'm going to run.
Good evening. I am BA sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Email to friend.
What should I say?
Hi Philip, how are you? Sorry.
Sorry. I am not able to send this email.
Okay. Just a minute. Yes, one more time.
Good evening. I am BA sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Okay. Email to friend.
What should I say?
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
I am not able to send this email.
So maybe there's some security error, that is the reason it will be displayed like this. Okay, so we'll check it, just a minute guys. Some security purpose, there is some limitation for the, sending the mail. So that is the reason I tried it twice. So that is the reason I will, show the that particular, output. Okay. I tried 2 times. See here, I can get it from the, while in a running time. While in a running time, I can get it. Okay. You can see this, right? Yeah, this is the one mail and this one is the another mail. Okay, right. So yeah, one more time.
Sir, the time is 18 hours 50 minutes and 26 seconds.
Okay. As I'm going to stop. Okay, I will correct it. Some security purpose it will not set it again, so that is the reason guys. Okay, right. It's okay. Just share the different mail ID. I will send it to you. Okay, right. Sorry, yeah, forgot it. I forgot it. So that is the reason it will be displayed. Thank you so much, Mr. Throat. I forgot actually. Okay, now I am going to, so yeah, just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I forgot. Actually, I cleared the password, right? So that is the reason it will not send the mail. So just a minute. Okay, now I am going to run this. You can see the output again. Okay, sorry, I forgot that particular password I cleared before. So that is the reason it will not change. Sorry, it will not send the mail. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Throat. Okay, Salaka Throat, right? Yeah. Yes.
Good evening. I am BA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Email to friend.
What should I say?
Hello, how are you?
Sorry. I am not able to send this email.
Okay, so maybe that, yeah. Just a minute. Okay. Password is, I think, wrong. Just a minute, guys. I will correct it. And yeah. Okay, we'll try it again. Yeah. And run this.
Good evening. I am BA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Email to friend. Email to friend.
What should I say?
Hello, how are you?
Email has been sent.
Already it's sent actually. Okay. It's sent. Okay. So now we are going to check that because the two sent mail, two mail ID is philippettitagj@gmail.com, right? So philippettitagj@gmail.com. Now I am going to open that. Okay, now I am going to open this one. See here, it is received. It received. Okay, it received. Anyone share your mail ID, I will send the mail to you. Okay, I will send the mail to you while in the running time. Okay, right. So you can see this, right? So the text will be there. Hello, how are you? Okay, like that. Hope you guys are understood about it. Hope you guys are understood about it. Yeah, thank you. So without delay, I am going to entering the, my time. Okay, I am going to entering my time. Yeah. That's okay. Right. Okay, right. So every day I mentioned one particular quote, right? So when you do not, so when you do good, the people will criticize you. When you do good, the people will criticize you. It's okay. It's just a common experience. It's just a common experience. There is no one in this world who has not been criticized. Okay, so who not been criticized. So therefore, learn to smile, forgive, and walk away. But don't stop good work. But don't stop good work. Okay, so keep it in your mind. When you do good things, when you do good people, the people will be criticize you. Okay, it's okay. It's just a common experience. Try to take it as an experience. Okay, so if you do good in the sense, the people will criticize you in the sense, just take it as a, just a common experience. Okay, right. So there is no one in this world who has not been criticized. So therefore, learn to smile, forgive and walk away, but don't stop the good work and don't stop the do good things. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope you guys are enjoyed the session. Hope you guys are enjoyed the session. If you guys are really enjoyed it, means please mention in the comment box. Please mention in the comment box. Yes, okay, right. So, any queries, guys? So, thank you all. Thank you so much. What kind of the error you will get, Miss Aparna? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Santan Sekin sir. Thank you so much. I hope most of the people enjoyed the session, today's session. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, thank you, Tanesh Kumar. Thank you, Tanesh Kumar. We'll see you tomorrow in a different topic, in the same NLP, concepts. Okay, bye bye, guys. Thank you and good night. Have a delicious dinner. Bye bye.